There you are, Zoe. You found me.
She said you found her. Speak to her.
What you were doing, you were taking a long time.
I was trying to get in a meeting and I came in the meeting and I was writing you messages, but I couldn't see you. So I called your mama and I disturbed her at work and she was working and I disturbed her. I called Miss Evans trying to get Undad and Grandma's phone number. And I said, I'm gonna try to call Zoe on Zoom one more time and see if I can get her. And you came in, Zoe.
Yeah.
Awesome. Are you ready to do some reading this morning?
Yes.
You have been working on all your letter sounds and you've learned all of them. Now we're gonna put some of those letters together and make some words we can read. So I have our first list of words this morning. They are called AT words. And we're just gonna make some different words using these blue letters. And we're gonna put them in front of the AT to make some different words. Now, do you remember what sound A makes? Awesome.
A.
Yes, you remembered that A makes two sounds because it's a vowel. And this is a trick, Zoe. Almost every English word has at least one vowel. Every English word. It's only just a little bit that doesn't have a vowel. So if you can remember those 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, and U, we use all of those vowel sounds to make almost every word. So the first vowel we're making with was A, and you got it. The A and A sound. With the AT words, it makes the A sound. So that first one you got, that's the sound we're gonna work with, A. But then there's a T with it. What sound do you think T makes? Awesome. So if we put those sounds together, what do you think we get? We got 2 sounds to make. Do I think we're gonna do 2? At. Awesome. So our at words. So we're gonna make some words using the AT combination. So which one of these letters do you want to try first? We have B, C, F, H, M.
I want to do BC.
Okay, so we're gonna do B and C first. Okay, let's see. We're gonna take this B. And we're gonna move it right there. What word did you make, Zoe? Now we have 3 sounds, 3 letters. So let's make those 3 sounds.
But.
But. What word did you make, Zoe?
Is.
But.
Say it.
At.
Is bat.
Bat. Bat. You spelled the word bat. Then you said you wanted to try to use the letter C.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's try to make a AT word with the letter C. So we got 3 sounds. We got 3 letters. So let's sound out those 3 letters.
Say it, though.
At.
I wonder what word did we make?
Is. Huh?
Say it loud.
Cat.
At.
Say it again.
Cat.
Cat.
So we put a B in front of AT and made at. Then you put a C and you made at. So bat and cat. Ooh, which letter do you want to try now to see what word we can make next? We have a few letters left in blue. We have a P, R, and then you have your buddy letters, your CH and your TH too.
I want to do PR.
Oh, you want to do P and R. Okay, so we'll do P. Ooh, let's try to make those three sounds and see if we can read it. When we put up our fingers for how many letters we have, we make the sounds, but then we blend them together. Blending is when we say it really fast. You know, I said it slow like and you said it fast, you blended it. You said cat. And when you blend those sounds, Zoe, you're reading. You're reading. That's so awesome. So let's see if you can blend that PAT and read a new word. Now say it fast, blend it together. Pat. 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 Do you pat the cat on the head?
Yes.
Wow. So PAT is pat. Pat. Pat.
Yes, Pat.
Whoa, you've made another word. You're so fast, Zoe. Now let me get your R for you. Ooh, let's try to blend those letter sounds together.
What do R make?
You remember the sound that the R makes? We're going to learn that letter tomorrow, but I know you already know it. Yeah.
Make.
Yeah.
Way to go, Zoe.
Roar.
Wow, it's almost like a roar. Now let's put the AT on with that R.
Ruh, ruh, ruh.
R at. R at. Now let's blend it faster. R at. R at. R
Ruh,
at. What word are you reading, Zoe?
It's at.
Now blend it together and read that word.
It's rat.
Rat. Oh, wow. Do you know what a rat is?
Rat is a mouse.
Right. A rat is a really big mouse. Did you know that rats are bigger than mice?
Yeah.
I saw a picture of a rat that was really, really big. I don't like rats, Zoe.
Me either.
I'm scared. I'm scared of mice too.
Me too.
If you have one, it's a mouse. If you have more than one, the word changes to mice. One mouse, 4 mice. We'll learn about that later. That's singular and plural. That means if you only have one or if you have a lot, sometimes words change. But we're going to read these words first. Now you have, oh, let's look at those words that you've made and that you've read, Zoe. Bat,
Bat,
cat,
cat,
pat,
cat,
and rat.
rat.
Now we have lots of letters left that we can use to make
I
a
want to do FV.
F and V. Okay, let's get this F and make us an AT word. Ooh, I like this one. The F, we know that sound. Let's blend those letter sounds together. We have 3. A, let's blend them together. At. Can we go faster?
Is it for at?
Yeah.
But at.
Yeah. That's what we're doing. We're blending them together. Now let's say it faster. At. What word do you think we made, Zoe?
F-A-T.
F-A-T spells at.
Yeah, at.
Remember the F sound.
And don't forget fat.
Fat, that's the word. When you read the sounds fast, instead of going slow like we have been, F, we go at. Now when we go faster and blend it together, we go fat. And what word did you make?
F-A-T.
Spells
Fat.
It spells fat. Do you know what fat is?
When you eat a whole lot of food, you get fat.
That is right. That's how you spell that word. So now you can write the word fat. Now you said you wanted to do the letter V next. Now this is a tricky letter. It almost sounds like the letter F, but it's V. Yeah, at. So when we say it fast, when we blend it, we're gonna say it that. Have you ever heard of a vat?
And vacuum.
Oh, vac, V-A-C, vacuum. A vat, B-A-T, is like batter. Like if you mixing up a cake, you have a vat of cake batter or a bowl of cake batter. So a vat is like a bowl. V-A-T, vat. Like a container. Did you do what container holds more?
I need to tell you something though.
What?
Vacuum, you need to vacuum on the floor.
You need to vacuum on the floor?
Yes.
Oh, vacuum is a really big word, Zoe. Would you like to see how you spell the word vacuum?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, let's try to write the word vacuum. Now, vacuum, what letter do I need to start with first? V, V, V. What letter makes that V sound?
V.
All right, so I need a V. What letter I need to make the A sound?
A.
A. So vac.
T.
Ooh, T is t. I need something that goes
C. And K.
C and K both make that sound. Awesome. So vac. U. What sound makes the U? What letter makes the U sound?
U.
U. And the word vacuum has two U's because it makes a vacuum. What letter makes the sound?
M.
M. Zoe, you just spelled the word vacuum. Look at that. I'm going to put an underline on it so you can see it. We can change the color to purple. V-A-C-U-U-M. Do you see how each letter makes a sound and that's how we can read and spell it? You spelled it just by listening to the sounds of the word. I didn't even spell it. You spelled it by yourself. All you did was listen to the sounds that I made. V-A-C-U-M. And you spelled those words. Zoe, I'm going to get some books to you because you're starting to read. Okay?
Okay.
We're going to get some beginning word books. They're not going to be a lot of words in the books. It's going to be a little bit of words in the books with some small words so we can start learning so you can read them by yourself. And then when you've mastered those words, we can get you a book with a lot of words in it and see if you can read that book. Would you like to make some more AT words?
No, thank you.
No, thank you. All right. What would you like to do next? Would you like to look at a story with these words, or would you like to do a little math before we go?
I want to do a little math before we go.
Okay, let's do a little math. So you and grandma and undad and mom and dad can start reading words that end with AT all day long. Okay? Now you know how to write them and you know how to spell them. We just have to put a different letter in front of that AT. What about if I put CH in front of AT?
Oh my God.
What does that CH make? Look at my teeth. Look at my teeth. Shut. Yeah. So if I put the ch sound in front of AT, chat at. I'm going to chat with Zoe.
With Zoe.
Chat. We made the word chat. Now, Zoe, you have been learning all your fives, your multiples of 5. So, Zoe, I'm going to write numbers 1 through 5 on the board. And I'm going to put my plus sign.
Hey, Mom, this is a 1.
And I'm going to draw a line because there's a mystery number that we need to find. And then I'm going to put my equals 5. Because each one of these are going to equal to 5, and we have to find the missing number.
Look at it.
Zoe, let's start with the one at the top. The first one. What number do you see here?
1.
Okay, 1 plus what will give us 5? What mystery number do we need to add to 1 to equal 5? We have 1. How many more do we need to get to 5? How many more circles do we need?
4.
4? Let's see if you're right, Zoe. We have 1, so we added, Zoe said we need to add 4 more circles to get 5. Whoa, Zoe, I think you're right. 1 plus 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 plus 4 equals 5. Awesome. So you know that 1 plus 4 will always equal 5. I wonder what number we can add to 2 to get 5. Now, we have 2 ovals. How many more ovals do we need to get to 5? I wonder what
3.
number. 3? Whoa! Let's try that. 1, 2, 3 ovals. Oh, so I had 2, 3, 4, 5. Zoe, you're right. We needed 3. So 2 plus 3 will always equal 5. 1 and 4 give us 5. 2 and 3 give us 5. What can I add to 3 to give me 5?
2.
Whoa, you're so fast, Zoe. Number 2. So if I have 1, 2, 3 tally marks, and Zoe said add 2 more, we have 5. Awesome. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Zoe, you're so smart. I think I'm seeing a pattern. 1 and 4, 2 and 3, 3 and 2. What about 4? What number can I add to 4 that will give me 5?
Answer. Yes, you do know.
Okay, let's say I got 4 triangles right here. How many more do I need to give me 5?
1.
1 more. Let's see that, Zoe. Let's see. I think you're right. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1 will give me 5. Awesome, Zoe. So 1 and 4 equals 5. 2 and 3 equals 5. 3 and 2 equals 5. 4 and 1 equals 5. This one at the bottom is tricky, Zoe. Look, it says 5 plus equals 5. What number can I add to 5 that will still give me 5?
3.
I have 5 squiggles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What number can I add to 5 that will still make it 5? This is tricky. Let's look at our number line. Let's look at this old number line. number on this number line, Zoe, do you see that we could use to add to 5 to still have 5? Hmm. Let's look.
0.
0. Let's see if that's the right number.
Where's the 5?
5 plus 0 is 5. Zoe, that's the tricky part. Do you know how many is 0?
9.
Awesome. That's exactly right, Zoe. 0 means nothing. So if I have 5 apples and I give you, and Zoe gives me nothing, I still got 5 because I didn't get anything. 0 is nothing. So 5 plus nothing is still 5. Zoe, you got all of them. Do you see the pattern? Look,
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's start with 0 and count backwards right here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a pattern. We counted down and the answers we counted up. Wow, you see that pattern? 2 plus 3 is the same thing as 3 plus 2. 1 plus 4 is the same thing as 4 plus 1. Awesome, Zoe. Zoe, I'm going to send you our lesson for today, okay? I'm going to send you a copy so you can watch it anytime you want to, okay?
Okay.
Then you can practice some of that stuff. And I want you to teach Miss Chelsea when she come home from work. And I want you to teach Undad. And I want you to teach Mr. Tracy. Because you
And my sister.
and your sister, because you and Grandma, y'all did the thing this morning. Y'all made words, Zoe. You read those words by yourself. And you even spelled vacuum by yourself. And you learned all the multiples of 5. You know all the numbers that will equal to 5. 1 plus 4 is 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. And 5 plus 0 is 5. Yes, Zoe?
Look.
Oh, hold it up so I can see it.
You must can't see it because the light is not on. I can see it. Sure.
Okay. Hold it up to the screen. Seven, 0, 8. Is that a numbers?
Mm-hmm. It's 1 plus 17, 8 plus 5.
Okay, so we got a long sentence here. So we have, let's clear this out. So we have 1 plus, you said 17, 8?
Mm-hmm.
So that's 1, 7, 8. That's 178. Whoa! And you said plus 5?
Mm-hmm.
Plus 5 equals. When we have a really big number like this, Zoe, I like to rewrite the math problem. Look how I'm going to rewrite it. I'm going to put the biggest number first, 178.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm going to line the other numbers under the 8 because they only have one number. So plus 1 plus 5. And then I'm going to draw a line under it like that. And we're going to add one row at a time. So we're going to do 8 plus 1.
I'll be right back.
Okay, go ahead and write that down. And then we're gonna try to solve this large problem you wrote for us. Because the 1, the 5, and the 8 are in the ones place. The 7 is in the tens place. Oops. And the 1 is in the hundreds place. So we have to add each one separately. We add all the ones, then we add all the tens, then we add all of the hundreds. So let me know when you've got that written down for us.
Okay.
And we'll try to add this great big problem you thought of. Ooh, where did you get the idea from making that big math problem, Zoe?
Because I always wanted to do that.
Wow.
Fun.
So you must have lots of numbers in your brain. So 178 plus 1 plus 5. And we are going to add the ones place first. Then we are going to add the tens. And then we're going to add the hundreds. So let me know when you're ready, Zoe.
Okay. I'm back, Miss Bratton.
All right. Do you need some more dry erase markers?
Yes.
Okay, I'll have to get you some, okay?
Okay.
If you come, if grandma and dad pick up lunch on Wednesday or Friday, I'll have some markers for the dry erase board to give to them, okay?
Okay.
All right, they're gonna be kind of big, but I think your hands are strong enough to write with them. You have some strong hands, so you can use the big markers. Okay, are you ready to add them up?
Yes.
All right. We're going to add the ones, the numbers in the ones place first. So that is 8, 1, and 5.
8, 1, and 5.
Yes. So 8 plus 1 will give us what? I got 8, and I'm going to go up on the number line one time.
17.
Let's see. Let's get our number line back on here. Okay, we got it all the way to 20. Let me make it long. There we go. I can't make it bigger. How can I make it bigger? Well, I can't make it bigger, so we're gonna start with the number 8, and we're gonna count over one time.
Oh, yeah.
8 plus 1 give us what? If we starting at 8 and we go up 1, 8.
Is
One more is what?
17.
Look, we starting at number 8 on your screen.
Is it 0?
8. Oh, where did it go? Hey. All right, there we go. So we're looking at the number line and we're starting at number 8. Right here, number 8. And we're gonna go over 1 time. 1. What number are we at?
9.
9. So 8 plus 1 is 9. Now we have to add 5. So we're gonna start at 9 this time. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What number did we start at?
Let me think about it.
Okay. You can use your number line too. You can touch the screen and start at 9 and go over 5 times like I did. Start at 9 and go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, touch the screen, Zoe. Put your finger on the 9 and move it over 5 times. And see what number you stop at.
Let me see.
Use the screen, she said. Do what she said. You gotta do what she said. And what you get.
Let me erase my marks.
Got 9.
You started at 9? Because we're adding 5 to 9. So put your finger on the 9 and then you're gonna go over to the right 5 times because you're adding 5 to it. So you move it over 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5.
5.
What number is your finger touching?
14.
14. So 9 plus 5 is 14. See, sometimes when we're dealing with these big numbers, it's really good to use that number line because these numbers getting bigger and they help you. So 14, so we're gonna write the 4 at the bottom, but now we have a 10. We got to take that 1 from 14 and put it on top of the 7 because that's the 4 is in the 1's place, but the 1 is in the 10's place. So we have to add that over here. So 7 plus 1 is our next number we have to add to finish this really big problem. So we can put our finger on the number 7 and go up 1 time.
7.
And go over 1 time because you're just adding 1 to 7. 7 plus 1 more gives us what?
8.
8. So we're gonna write that 8 in front of the 4. We're almost done with this super big math problem, Zoe. Now we have to add the hundreds. That's gonna be easy because how many numbers are in the hundreds place? Over here with the pink, how many numbers is over here? I'm gonna underline it in red.
Oh.
How many numbers in this on this side, on the pink side? I only see 1 number.
1 number.
Yeah, so we're adding that to 0. So 1 plus 0 is how many? We got the same number because 0 is nothing, so it doesn't change. 1 plus nothing. 1 plus 0 is what?
1.
1. 1. Yes, any number plus 0 is always the same number because remember you said 0 is nothing. So 1,000 plus 0 is still 1,000. So 1. So let's read our new number. Ooh, I changed that color. I gotta write it in the same color. So what is our new number? That's our answer, Zoe. 1 plus 178 plus 5 equals 184. Whoa!
Ooh, that's a big number.
Zoe, where did you get those numbers from? Do you have that much money?
Talk to her.
Yeah.
Oh, your brain has been thinking about a whole lot of numbers. Zoe,
Yes, ma'am.
I am going to get those markers for you. I'm going to have them tomorrow just in case grandma or dad or mom come gets lunch and I can give them to them tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Then you can write with some different colors on your board.
On my erase board, yeah.
Yeah, your dry erase board. I know you're going to take care of them, so I'm going to share them with you.
Yeah, but I wanted a purple marker
Okay, so a purple and pick one more color.
and pink.
Okay, purple and pink. What if I can't find a pink marker? Is there another color that you would like?
I think I have blue.
Okay, so pink, purple, or blue. And I am going to have those ready for you tomorrow in case someone picks them up, okay?
Okay, I hope my daddy, my sister, me, my mom, my aunt dad can get them for me.
I think we can make that happen, Zoe. I think we can make that happen. All right, Zoe, I will see you in class tomorrow.
Okay.
And check Class Dojo because I'm going to put your lesson up there for you and you can watch your friend's lesson for today. They had a lesson on memory and recall to see if they can remember all the things from the Pete the Cat story. So if you want to watch that.
We watched that on my blue tablet.
You watched it already?
Yeah.
Awesome. Did you?
And we sing. I like my white shoes. I like my blue shoes. I like my red shoes. I like my brown shoes.
Did Pete the Cat cry when he messed up his shoes?
She said, did you like the part when he messed up his shoes?
Yes, it was funny.
Did Pete cry and get upset?
Goodness, no.
Goodness, no. Because crying and getting upset won't fix it. You know what he did, Zoe? Do you remember?
Kept on walking.
Yeah, he kept on walking and singing. Well, my shoes is muddy now, but I'm going to keep on singing. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. So no matter what you step in, you just got to keep going, Zoe. No matter if you step into a hard math problem, you don't have to cry. Goodness, no. Just keep on singing. I'm going to try this math problem. I'm going to try this math problem. Oh, no.
That is a terrible one.
You don't like my version of the song?
No, I don't like the one that's doing the math problem.
Yeah, that was my version. I remixed it. I put my own words in it.
You can't do that.
Well, you will learn later on how to remix songs on your own.
What?
Yeah. Let's say you like that song, Thunder and the Lightning and the Thunder, and you want to put a new word in there. You can remix it and change the words.
Thunder. see the thunder. Lightning and a thunder.
Mhm. You can make some your own words to that. Thunder, down under, and the lightning. It was so frightening. See, you can rhyme your own words and make your own song.
Yes.
I like doing that. Sometimes it's fun. And when I'm singing by myself, I'll make my own new words. Well, Zoe, you have done all your work for today.
Yay.
You did your friend's lesson and you did your own lesson and a math lesson on top of that. And then you gave Miss Bratton a math lesson. So I got a lot of observations to put on Zoe's report card for Winter's report card. Zoe, you growing up fast.
Yes.
We got to keep up with you. Well, Zoe, I will see you later. And if you need Miss Bratton, you can call me on Zoom anytime, okay?
Okay.
You just get up on your Zoom and you start a meeting, and I get an email that you started a meeting, and I'll come and join in with you. Well, I see.
Yeah, screen is keep stopping.
It does?
Uh-huh.
Well, we can start it over. All right, Zoe, I'll see you later.
Okay, bye.
I
Bye.
love you, and I will remember to bring those dry erase markers with the colors.
Okay, make sure you give me purple, blue, and pink.
Okay, I'll try to find those colors. I know I have purple, and I'll see if I got pink, but if I don't have pink, I'll find you a blue one.
Okay.
All right. See you later.
Okay.
And I'm going to put this video on Class Dojo so you can watch it later, okay?
Okay.
All right. Love you.
Love you. Bye.